AHF supports HIV care treatment services. We also run programs engaging the young people. We do give them information in regards to HIV prevention. We also give them sexual reproductive health, whereby we engage them and we empower them on how to remain HIV negative. And also, we have teen mothers in our programs. We do engage them on how they can remain in school, or those who dropped out of school because of teen pregnancy, how to reintegrate them back into school, and also how to ensure they remain HIV negative, despite the fact having become pregnant in their teenage. So, in terms of today, we are here to mark World Menstrual Day Hygiene. We are doing this in conjunction with the Ministry of Health, Ministry of Education, and other like-minded organizations that we are partnering with them today. AHF is coming in because we found that lack of sanitary towels is a driver of teenage pregnancy, is also a driver of HIV infection in our young adolescent girls. So today we are here calling on our government, if possible, our political leadership within the county, and the general at large to come in big numbers to speak loudly on how we can support our young girls to remain in school, not to look for money to buy pads. Because if our government is committed to provide free sanitary towels for our young girls in school, then we'll have gone a mile in preventing early pregnancy. We have, as I stated earlier, we've been engaging these young girls, and their major driver to go and maybe engage in early sexual debut, early sexual activities, is looking for money to be able to secure sanitary pads that they can use. So it's our call as an organization, as AHF Kenya, for the government to have a good political goodwill to supply and also to zero rate. Because at the moment we are importing sanitary towels. If the government can zero rate the taxes, it means we can acquire those sanitary materials at a lower price. So if I can mention briefly about today we are targeting school girls who will be joining us at this event. We'll be giving them health talks, health education in relation to menstrual hygiene and how they can handle themselves. We are also here to speak loudly on ending stigma related to menstrual hygiene. We also want to shout for us to end poverty related to menstrual hygiene. Today we are, as AHF, we are providing sanitary towels for the girls who will attend this event. We are targeting to give out today about 800 sanitary towels to the girls who will be attending this event. For some also in conjunction with their teachers, they will identify for us those who are more vulnerable. And as an organization, we're also going to provide them with some sanitary, menstrual hygiene related commodities. We also plan to distribute innerwears for the girls, because you cannot use a sanitary towel without something to hold it.